This is DongPeng Epoxy grout, and this will make your house look amazing.
Welcome back to DongPeng channel. Don't forget to subscribe before you watching this.
So, today I would like to show you how to use our DongPeng Epoxy grout. Let's do it. Step 1. So, the first thing you need to do is remove the existing grouting. Come on, we're gonna do it. So, here's the step. Step 2. What you need to do, after you take out all the existing grouting, you need to clean with a wet cloth, like this. Yes, just easy like this. Very simple. But the best way actually, you can clean up using your vacuum. It is much easier ways. Alright? Step 3. Next step. You need to open the grouting cap and apply a mixer on top of it. This is to mix the epoxy and color together. After that, put inside the grouting gun like this. And then push it to make sure it fits properly.
Wait a minute. Before you fill in the grout, you need to pump out at least 30 cm of epoxy to avoid uneven mixing.
Step 4. And then fill the gap with this epoxy grout and use the roller to make sure the grout fill it properly. Wait for minimum 8 hours to make sure the epoxy is dry.
8 hours later.
Final step. Remove it using scraper. So, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.